What if one of the greatest mysteries in human history has been hiding in plain sight all along? Deep in the heart of the Sahara Desert, visible even from space, lies a gigantic circular formation so unusual that astronauts use it as a landmark when orbiting Earth. Known as the Richat Structure, or the Eye of the Sahara, this mysterious formation has sparked endless debate. Some believe it is a natural geological wonder. Others think it could be connected to the legendary lost city of Atlantis. But what is the truth behind this incredible place? In the remote deserts of Mauritania lies one of the most fascinating landmarks on Earth. The Richat Structure stretches nearly 40 kilometers across, making it so large that its true shape can only be appreciated from the sky. From above, it resembles a giant blue eye staring out from the golden sands of the Sahara. Its perfectly circular rings have puzzled explorers, scientists, and historians for generations.
Plato described Atlantis as having concentric rings of land and water surrounding its centre. To some observers, the Richat structure appeared remarkably similar to these descriptions. As images of the Eye of the Sahara spread across the internet, theories connecting it to Atlantis gained popularity. Supporters pointed out that the structure's circular rings seemed to match Plato's account. Some argued that changes in climate over thousands of years could explain why the region is now a desert. They suggested that long ago, this part of Africa may have been much greener and capable of supporting a large civilization. The idea is certainly fascinating. Imagine an advanced city thriving in what is now one of the harshest deserts on Earth. Imagine rivers flowing through the landscape, supporting agriculture, trade, and culture. Over time, natural disasters and environmental changes could have transformed the region completely, leaving only traces of its former glory hidden beneath the sands. However, most scientists remain skeptical of the Atlantis theory. Geological studies suggest that the Richat structure is a natural formation created over millions of years. Researchers believe the rings formed as layers of rock were uplifted and gradually eroded by wind, rain, and other natural forces. Different rock layers wore away at different rates, creating the distinctive circular patterns visible today. What makes the Richat structure particularly unusual is that it was once thought to be an impact crater created by a meteorite. Yet closer examination revealed no evidence of the extreme shock effects normally associated with such impacts. Instead, scientists discovered that the structure resulted from complex geological processes occurring deep within the Earth's. Even though science provides a reasonable explanation, the Richat structure continues to inspire wonder. Its enormous size, nearly perfect shape, and remote location make it feel almost otherworldly. Few places on Earth combine geology, mystery, and imagination in quite the same way. Whether viewed through the lens of science or legend, it remains one of the planet's most extraordinary sights. Adding to the intrigue is the fact that the Sahara Desert itself was not always a desert. Thousands of years ago, parts of the region contained lakes, rivers, grasslands, and abundant wildlife. Archaeologists have discovered evidence of ancient human settlements throughout areas that are now barren sand. This knowledge keeps speculation alive, encouraging people to ask whether forgotten civilizations once flourished where only dunes remain today. Today, the Richat structure attracts scientists, explorers, photographers, and mystery enthusiasts from around the world. Modern satellite technology has made it easier than ever to study and admire this remarkable formation.
Yet, despite all our advances, many people still find themselves captivated by the possibility that there may be more to the story than we currently understand. Perhaps that is what makes the Eye of the Sahara so compelling. It sits at the crossroads of fact and legend. On one side stands geology, explaining the formation through natural processes. On the other stands human imagination, searching for clues to one of history's greatest mysteries. Between these two perspectives lies a place that continues to fascinate anyone who sees it. As the sun sets over the endless sands of the Sahara, the Richat structure remains exactly as it has for countless generations. Silent, mysterious, waiting. Whether it is merely a geological masterpiece or a distant echo of a forgotten past, one thing is certain: it is one of the most incredible places on Earth. The Richat structure reminds us that our world is still filled with mysteries.
Some mysteries may eventually be solved by science, while others continue to inspire questions and imagination. And perhaps that is why we are so drawn to places like this. Sometimes the greatest mysteries are not hidden from us at all. They are simply too big for us to see.